What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can enable the dark mode in Gemini AI. So let's get started. So firstly, what you're going to do is just go to Gemini website, which is this one, and then over here you'll be having the option which says chat with Gemini. Just go over here and you will be redirected to Gemini AI platform like this. Here you can enter a prompt or anything, like upload images, choose like search, or even the microphone. So you want to have the dark theme, or let's say enable the dark mode. So what you're going to do is on your left hand side you'll see this menu, just have it, and then all the way down you'll be seeing the settings option. Just go over here and there is the option which says dark theme. Just enable it, and that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Also, if you have any queries, just comment down below, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.